What's going on, everybody? Quick insert I'm going to put in here on my next couple videos. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. And one question: would you watch vlogs about cars and sorts if I put that on my channel? Comment down below if you'd watch them. And here's the video. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back again. And today, as you can see, we're outside. We're outside for once. First time in 5 months. Because it's finally nice out. So let's go over to our storage building and try to do a cold start on a 1965 Mustang. It has 47,000 miles on it. All original, 289. So let's go.
Oh, battery looks good.
Alright, cold start after 6 months of the 65 Mustang, 289. It's an all original. Well, we made it back. Got the Mustang in the garage. It started, and any of the smoke you saw there was all from the seafoam that we had in it over the winter. We dumped some in the carburetor, so that's why it was smoking like that. It's not all bad. It's not junk. It was smoking because of that reason. So we're home. We got it here. We got the Model A rolled back. We always store it up there, so got that out. Now it sounds like we live on a freeway, if you can hear me. Got the Model A here. Mustang here, so I got 2 old Fords. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. Tell me what I did wrong or what you'd like to see, because I'm not that good at thinking up ideas. I have the cars. I can try to do something, more driving videos, more of something, I don't know. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.